Good morning, Yearbook and Journalism. It's Mrs. Altizer. I hope that y'all had a good weekend. This video is just to inform you of what is expected for today and tomorrow. Well, actually, sorry, we're not meeting today, but for Tuesday, the work that we're doing. Okay, we're going to look at the journalism Google Classroom really quick. Okay, here, let me get you to classwork. Okay, so what we're doing, you should have already gotten your article done. It should be turned in. If not, turn it in as soon as possible so that you don't get any more points taken off. Your class expectations, that was that Google account or the slides that we started. If you did not get that done, let's work on that. Okay. There was some interesting stuff that we added to the end of that. Some girls came up with some interesting ideas for the yearbook, and they want your opinion. Okay, class expectation, collaboration. Yep, that was the same thing. Let me fix that. Okay, due by Thursday, there is a Flipgrid that we're going to do based off of the information that we gathered from our classroom community questionnaire. There were 90 students surveyed from all of my different classes, and we're taking that information and we're going to look through it and kind of try to get an idea of where everybody's head's at, what they find is important. So when you pull up the file that's in there, it's going to show you majority of y'all are 11th graders. It's going to show you the majority of how you guys like to learn. It will show you what you feel confident about, maybe what you don't feel confident about. Also, it's going to show you birthdays. So, for example, in January 2003, there were 2 people that were born on the 8th of January. And in September of 2003, there were 2 people born on the 9th of September. So you might see some interesting, you notice there's a lot of people in February. You know, there's, you start to see pockets of people and when they were born. Also, these are your answers as to what your 3 goals were and your biggest expectations for yourself and your friends. So I left all of the answers so that y'all can see those and kind of look through each other's answers and see what you think. Okay, so classroom community questionnaire is due on a Flipgrid, and it's a Flipgrid mixtape. So as y'all put your responses in, we'll be able to have a whole collection of y'all's answers. The important part that we are going to get done this week that is specifically for yearbook and journalism is that everyone's going to get an opportunity to have a say in what we do for the theme of the yearbook, and it will open some good dialogue for my journalism students as to what they want to see with their Shark Tribune news magazine or newsletter, how you decide to put that together. So there is a slide presentation, and it's quite lengthy. We're going to go through the first section, so the first 23 pages. Okay, you're going to look through it and kind of, there's quite a few different examples here for you to look at, but also as you get farther in, let me find it, sorry. As you get it farther in, there will be links for you to look at stuff. I want you to really think about this, because if you take some time with doing this now, you will save yourself a lot of time later in the school year, as my students from last year found out the hard way. There is a special page that I want you, it's going to give you, it should give you a copy, so you have your own copy and you can put your name, and then it's going to ask you to fill out like list 5 facts about MCCHS, list 5 changes that may occur this year, several different things. Now it says list 5, but if you notice there are 6 boxes, and what it says is you receive an extra 4 points for this a good 6 response. Okay, a 6 response can't just be peanut butter and jelly sandwiches every time. It's legitimate a response. You can add yourself basically an extra credit grade by adding the extra work in. So you could basically take a failing grade and turn it into a passing grade, because if there are 10 questions and they're worth 4 points each, you could get 40 points towards another assignment. So it will be in your best interest to really think about this and give lots of answers. If you want to give more than 6 answers, you can. But we're going to collaborate on our answers, and we're going to look at what we can do to make this theme work. Okay, get it done and out of the way. Y'all did say y'all want to do some collaboration, so when we meet on Thursday, we'll do that collaborating then. Talk about what we've seen, allow you guys to give out ideas. But anyways, for today and tomorrow, we are going to focus on getting the paperwork done so that we can do the collaboration on Thursday. Okay, so I will deal with your class expectations, journalism class expectations. It's redundant, and I will make sure and add the slide in there. So I will fix those two for y'all. If y'all have any other issues or questions or comments, just let me know. I miss you guys, and I'm looking forward to collaborating with you. Again, if you can email me, text me, whatever. But y'all have a good day, and I hope that you really get a chance to get some brainstorming ideas of what the theme of our yearbook should be. And as you go through the slides go through it step by step with you. Anyways, y'all have a good day, and I will talk to you later. Bye-bye.